सुप्रभातं छात्राः, स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। सप्तमी कक्षायाः चतुर्थः पाठः अस्ति हास्य बालकवि सम्मेलनम्। एषः पाठः ह्यः अस्माभिः आरब्धः, तद् अग्रे अद्य वयं पठामः। My dear students, welcome to online classes. Class 7th, 4th chapter is Hasya Bala Kavi Sammelanam. It is the poets meet. It is the poetry of the comedy, of the laughter, which is going to start. In the yesterday's class, we have started this lesson and covered. It is in the form of drama. So 4 poets are coming and they are presenting their poetry. So this lesson we have started yesterday. As some of you told that you want the revision, from the beginning we will start and we will continue further. एकवारं चतुर्थः पाठः हास्य बालकवि सम्मेलनम्। विविध वेशभूषाधारिणः चत्वारः बालकवयः मञ्चस्य उपरि उपविष्टाः सन्ति। अधः श्रोतारः हास्यकविता श्रवणाय उत्सुकाः सन्ति, कोलाहलञ्च कुर्वन्ति। The 4 child poets are sitting on the stage. When you see the picture, you can understand that 4 children are sitting on the stage. They are having different costumes, and below the stage there are the listeners. Audience are sitting. These audience are very curious. Look at their faces. They are very curious to listen to the poet. The first master of the ceremony, Sanchalakaha. Master of the ceremony, he is coming and he is telling, he is starting the program. Alam kolahalena adya param harshasya avasaraha yat अस्मिन् कवि सम्मेलने काव्यहन्तारः कालयापकाश्च भारतस्य हास्य कविधुरन्धराः समागताः सन्ति। ये हि करतलध्वनिना वयम् एतेषां स्वागतं कुर्मः. As it is a comedy program, he is starting with the comedy. Alam kolahalena. Stop. Alam means stop. Enough of shouting here. Kolahala means shouting. All the audience are shouting. He is telling, enough of shouting here. Param adya param harshasya avasaraha. This is the opportunity to feel happy. Harshasya prasannatayaha anandasya santoshasya avasaraha avakashaha asti. This is the happy occasion that we are getting. Asmin kavi sammelane. In this poets meet, kavya hantaraha. These are the poets who can kill the poetry very well. Kalayapakascha. Those who can kill your time. Kalasya yapakaha. Who can spend or kill your time very well. Bharatasya hasya kavi dhurandharaha. These are the expert comedy poets of the India. Samagataha santi. They have arrived here. Yehi, please come. Karatala dhvanina. Karatala dhvani means clapping. By clapping, vayam etesham swagatam kurmaha. Let us welcome them by giving a claps to them, by giving them good hands. Gajadhara. The first poet comes and tells, Sarvebhyo arasikebhyo namo namaha. Rasikaha. Rasikaha means one who has interest in the poetry. Arasikaha means one who doesn't have any interest in the poetry. जो कविता में रुचि नहीं रखते हैं उसे हम अरसिक कहते हैं. One who doesn't have any interest in the poetry. Sarvebhya arasikebhya namo namaha. See, this you have to observe. When this yes, you can see this yes, S means A. It is called Avagraha Chinnam. So please keep it in mind whenever you find this in the future in any lesson. S means Avagraha Chinnam. Avagraha Chinnam A. Iti swarasya pratikaha bhavati. It tells us A. Sarvebhyaha, all. Arasikebhyaha, you are all don't have any interest in the poetry, but still all of you gathered here. So my first salutes to you all. Prathamam tavat aham adunikam vaidyam uddishya kavyam prasthomi. So he is telling that first of all, I am going to present my poetry about the modern. Adhunika means modern. Vaidyaha, doctor. I am going to present the poetry about modern doctor. Adhunikaha Vaidyaha. Kidrishaha bhavati iti vadati. Idanim pashyamaha. He is telling. Vaidyaraja namastubhyam. Yama Raja Sahodara. Yamastu harati pranan. Vaidyaha pranan dhananicha. Vaidyaraja Namastubhyam. O King of Doctors, I salute you. My pranams to you. Namaha Tubhyam. Aham Namaskaram Karomi. Vaidyaraja, Aham Namaskaram Karomi. Kimartham? Why do I salute you? Because Yamaraja Sahodaraha. You are the brother of Yama. Who is Yama? The god of death is called Yamaha. Yamastu harati pranan.
Yes,
Your
sir.
brother Yama only takes the life. Vaidyaha. Harati means churana, taking away, stealing. Yama will take only the life. Vaidyaha pranan dhananicha. Doctor, you take my money and my life also. Yama doesn't ask any money, whereas doctors will take your money as well as your life also. Sarve uchchaihi hasanti. All audience are very happy at listening to this poetry and all are uchchaihi loudly. Uchchaihi ityasya viloma padam nichaihi. Uchchaihi loudly, nichaihi slowly. Uchchaihi nichaihi. Then the second poet comes. His name is Kalantakaha. Kala adikam antakaha Kalantakaha. So Kalantakaha, he is telling, Are, my dear, Vaidyastu sarvatra. Doctors you can find everywhere. They are the normal doctors. Parantu nate madrushaha kushalaha. But they are not specialist like me. We are finding no specialist nowadays. He is specialist in Janasankhya Nivarane. Specialist in controlling the population. Janasankhya, population. Nivaranam, controlling. Controlling the population. Mamapi kavyam idam shrunvantu bhavantaha. Please, all of you, listen to my poetry. Then he starts his poetry. Chitam prajwalitam drishtva Vaidyo vismayamagataha Naham gato name bhrata kasyedam hastalagavam. Chitam prajwalitam drishtva. When the dead body is burnt, Vaidyaha vismayamagataha. This specialist doctor is getting surprised. What is burnt? Dead body is burnt, but doctor is getting surprised. Why? Naham gataha. I have not gone. Name bhrata. Even my brother is also not gone. Kasyedam hastalagavam. Who is shaking hand with me? Hastalagavam. Karataladhvani means clapping. Hastalaghavam means shaking hand. Somebody is coming and shaking hand. Who is that? Yama. MI is coming and congratulating the doctor that you have done my job well done, the target is reached there, sarve punaha hasanti. So like this, here you have to know chita is a new word for you. Chita is a fire which burns the dead body. Prajwalita means burning. Drishtva, after looking. Vaidyaha, doctor. Vismayam, surprise. Agataha, got. Doctor got surprised after seeing the dead body is burnt. Naham, na aham, naham, not me. Gataha, went. Na me, not even my. Bhrata nama sahodaraha, sodaraha. Kasyedam, sandhi is there. Kasya adikam idam kasyedam. Kasya whose. Idam means this. Hastalaghavam means shake hand. Who is shaking hands with me? I hope you understood the meaning of the second shloka, Rohit. Rohit, did you understand? Shall I repeat once again?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
I understood, sir.
Yes, thank you. Shall we move further?
We understood, sir.
Good. We will move further now. तुन्दिलः तुन्दस्य उपरि हस्तम् आवर्तयन् तुन्दिलोऽहं भोः ममापि काव्यं श्रूयतां जीवने धार्यताञ्च तुन्दिलः. The problem of the modern day. What is the problem? You are all fond of pizzas, burgers, is it? When you love the pizzas and burgers, your belly will come out like anything, is it? So that's why it is called tundilaha. Tundilaha means one who has got very big belly, one who is very fat, big belly. The curse of the modern days, that is fatness. Here tundila is coming. Tundila means very fat fellow. You can see that his stomach has bulged out. Tundasya upari avartayan. Tundaha means his stomach, big stomach. Tundasya upari hastam avartayan. He is rotating his hand on the stomach. Tundiloham ho. May Motu, all of you are fond of Motu Patlu. Motu you have seen? It is just like, imagine the Motu is presenting this shloka. Tundiloham boho, I am very fat fellow. Mamapi idam kavyam shruyatam. Please listen to my poetry. And not only listen, Jivane dharyatam. All of you follow it in your life. All other shlokas just to listen. But this motto is telling that you not only listen, but you must follow it in the life. Is it? You want to become motto? He is giving very good tip for the life. So just for fun, take it. Parannam prapya durbuddhe ma sharire dayam kuru parannam durlabham loke sharirani punah punaha. Once again I will tell. Parannam prapya durbuddhe ma sharire dayam kuru parannam durlabham loke sharirani punah punaha. Parannam, parasya annam paran. All of we eat food in our house daily. Does anybody invite you for others' house? Very rarely. People invite you for food in others' house very rarely. Parannam prapya durbuddhe. Oh my dear, durbuddhi. Nowadays, people are very health conscious. very health conscious. So people are so health conscious that
I can't hear
they
you.
avoid eating anything made up of the oil, fat content. Is it? For those people who are starving, who are very weak, lean, for those people, this fat fellow is giving an advice. Hey Durbuddhe, my dear, your mind is spoiled. Durbuddhi. Subuddhi means good mind. Durbuddhi means spoiled mind. तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब है. That means he is telling your mind is spoiled. Why? When somebody is offering you the food, you are not eating. Parannam prapya durbuddhe. Why people avoid eating? Because they feel that by eating I will become fat. No. Sharire dayam kuru. You are so much worried about your body. Sharire dayam kuru. Have kindness for your body. When you get the food from others, show some kindness to your body. Parannam durlabham loke. It is very rare to get food in others' house. Do they invite you every day? When they have birthday, they invite you. They have functions, they invite you. They marry, they invite you. Do they get married every day? No. Once in life they get married. So, any functions you are going, never hesitate to eat. Why? Because food is you are rarely getting. Parannam durlabham. Very rare to get. Sharirani punah punaha. Your body is there with you always. Is it? Your body is there with you always. So don't show any kindness. आज थोड़ा मोटा हो जाएगा तो कल कम कर सकता है, लेकिन आज नहीं खाया तो कल खाना नहीं मिलेगा. He is telling. Who is telling? Tundilaha. It is not me. Don't take it. My sir told like that. It is the Tundila who is advising you. What he is advising? Parannam prapya durbuddhe. When you get the food from others, ma sharire dayam kuru. Don't show any sympathy. Don't show any kindness to your body. Parannam durlabham loke. Getting food from others is very rare. Durlabham. Durlabham means very rare to get. Sharirani, the body, you can get punah punaha. Again and again, your body will grow. Is it not? You observe that body is growing every day. Every day, body is growing. That's why never show any sympathy on your body, because body is with you always, but the other's food is not there. So sarve punah attahasam kurvanti. All the audience are laughing very loudly. You are also like audience now. Did you understand the shloka? If you have understand, you should laugh. Understood? Did you like the advice
Hello,
given by
sir.
Tundila? Tundila has given very nice advice.
Sir,
So
your
that's
voice is not coming, sir.
yes, yes, yes. So that's
Sir,
why
your video is for
when you get food from others, don't show any mercy on your body. Eat it very well. That's what Tundila wants to tell. Once again, we will read. Tundilaha tundasya upari hastam avartayan tundiloham bhoho mamapi idam kavyam shruyatam जीवने धार्यतांचा परान्नम प्राप्य दुर्बुद्धे मा शरीरे दयां कुरु परान्नम दुर्लभम लोके शरीराणि पुनः पुनः सर्वे पुनः अट्टहासं कुर्वन्ति. Attahasam means laughing very loudly. Like that. It is called attahasam. So we have learnt now what Tundila has told. So let us see the grammar points.